How he find his rocks.
Right now, we just
Look at that.
James, come on, up here. Oh, going down. James has recovered.
10,000 years later.
On my neck. He said, huh? There you go.
Pass out. Hi everybody! What's up? And welcome back po sa aming panibagong video.
Queen.
Yeah, McQueen. Mac, yes. That's baby James.
Water.
Water.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Wow.
Oh, towel. What else? Show them. What you got? Nagpapasikat siya, guys. Actually, mag-work sana ako today. Kaso, tinawagan ako ng aking boss na na hindi daw kami busy. So, nag-day off na lang ako, guys. So, we decided na instead of staying in the apartment, we're gonna go for at least 1.5 hours minimum na walking. And then, after that, mag-grocery kami for this week. So, ayan guys, kasama namin si Baby James. Kakatapos niya lang yan mag-brunch. Wala pa siyang nap, guys. And magpa 4 PM na ng hapon. And late na din kasi kami dito na kumakain. Kasi late na din kasi nagigising. Lalo na me and James. We normally leave the bed like around 11 AM na, guys. Pero si Dominic maagang nagising yan. Nagbo-walk yun siya ng maaga. Ito na kami sa parking. Where are we, James? Are you excited? Walk, yes, we are going for a walk. And this is James' outfit. Ito lang kung makita yung outfit ni James, guys. Hi, babe.
Hello.
What's up?
Not much. Second walk of the day for me.
For me, yeah.
No, I'm excited. It'll be nice.
All right, let's go, James. Are you ready? Ready? You look done, boy. All right, let's do this. Let's my day off make it worth it. Ayun, let's show you this.
We're gonna leave it here. We're gonna go for a walk. You put it in here. Thank you. Put this one in there too. Good job. And put McQueen in that one. Good job. And Mommy, I'll put this in the cup holder. Up. Yep. All right. Tell your cars to stay. Tell them to stay. Say I'll be right back soon, or say I'll see you soon. Soon. Very good.
Okay.
Bye, car.
Bye, Sky.
Mom.
Bye, Mac. Bye,
Bye,
Mac.
Mac.
Bye, McQueen. Good job. Oh, you ready for a walk?
It's a big kid. Say bye. Let's tell them. Let's go, guys.
Say, Mom, come on.
Come on.
Tell her, come on.
What?
You look at her.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, climb.
Come on. You gotta go up first. Gotta grab his rocks.
Like how he find his rocks.
Right now, we just
Look at that.
James, come on, up here.
Let's go get Daddy. Look at him.
The problem is it makes it so hard for him to get around. If he ever tries to grab onto something, his hands are always full. Where are we?
Drop a stone.
Oh, going down. Okay. Hello. James has recovered.
James.
Just got these new shoes. We're trying to break them in. Get used to it.
James.
Carry stuff in his hands so he can't catch himself when he falls because he likes to carry his rocks.
Yeah, look. Show them your rock. What you got,
Show
rock?
the camera.
Oh, that's a lot of rocks. Look at that. How many rocks you got? Huh?
Say 2. 3.
Oh, it's so tall. You wanna climb? What is that, James? Is that a tree?
There you go. Yeah.
10,000 years later.
Smiling.
Last one, sit, B.
Do the one at a time.
Last one.
Yep.
Yay!
Wait, check on mommy. Make sure mommy's okay. Are you okay?
You okay? Woo!
Did it.
No more rocks?
We got one stick under mommy's foot.
Here, take this one.
Okay. Do a big one. Do a big throw. Ready? Go far. Whoa. I'll go. We're gonna keep walking.
Hi! This is our surroundings, guys. Look at that. Right now it's spring, but the trees are still no leaves at all. It's totally naked.
I think it's almost spring.
Almost?
I think spring starts on the 21st.
So it's not yet spring?
I don't know. I think I asked. I don't know the exact.
Oh, so still winter?
I thought it was March 21st.
Our menu in our restaurant is already in Chef Spring selection. James, wait for mommy. The wind is so loud. Woo!
One more.
One more, James. Water time.
Big one. One more. Thank you.
He said stop. Stop.
He said stop.
Try to hold him.
Where are you going? You're going downhill. You better be careful. His legs are a little wobbly still.
Today's first day wearing the shoes.
Woo! See the water?
You're gonna throw your stones, Dad?
All right, well, come here.
Let's go.
I guess stand over here. Yeah. You gotta hold him, right?
I'm gonna hold. Okay.
See if you can
Front.
toss it far enough.
Woo!
Oh, almost. Try again. Throw it far.
Whoa!
Hard.
Far. Whoa!
Try again.
Oh!
You missed. Big one.
Oh!
Close. There you go.
Whoa!
Woo.
Jack. Whoa!
Oh, on my neck. He said, huh? There you go.
James, say hi.
I feel like this is harder because I can't trust him to like hold himself up.
They're struggling.
Oh, easier in the front.
That smile.
Oh no! The trees fell down. Look, I'm making that face.
No,
Oh no!
tree.
Trees. Did they fall down?
Fell down?
You want to fix them?
Yeah.
How are you gonna fix the trees?
You got your tools?
Look. You bring your tools?
Your duct tape?
Going up.
It's gone. Nope. James. Oh God. What's wrong with you?
There's mountains.
It's a video. It's a video.
Here's the-
James, say hi.
Say.
Alright, we'll keep going. Watch out. There's people on the side.
We're on the top of the mountain.
That's up a big hill. Woo. You good?
Look, the people, you see the people.
Huh?
People there. They're so low.
Yeah. It's hard to see a big hill on this camera. But this is all up.
Alright, guys. After what, babe? 2 hours? You think? We did 2 hours hiking?
4:30 I think we got here. So almost
It's like 1 hour and 45 minutes maybe.
something like that.
Something like that. And our boy, he's passed out. Yeah, sleeping, guys. I took his shoes. And nakamedyas lang yun siya. Ayan. Sweet dreams, James.
Heavy.
Guys, we are home. Okay. nandito na pala kami ngayon sa bahay and si Dominic nilagay niya sa bed si James para continue yung tulog niya guys. Para sa nap niya. Kasi talagang pass out talaga siya guys. Pagod na pagod siya sa kanyang hiking today. But anyway, so ang plan sana guys is after naming mag-walking or mag-hiking is didiretso kami ng grocery. But since hindi pa nakapag-nap si James and para mabilisan din kasi kapag kasama kami ni James dalawa guys, pag nag-grocery ang bagal. So yung grocery namin umaabot ng 2 hours. Pero pag si Dominic, mabilisan lang to kasi siya lang mag-isa. Tapos alam niyo naman mga lalaki pag nag-grocery, 'di ba? Wala nang paligoy-ligoy kung ano lang yung nakalista, yun lang talaga yung bibili nila. Unlike kapag yung mga girls, yung mga mommies na grocery, nagsuscroll-scroll, oh, ito, baka ito, ganyan-ganyan. So ang dami pa nating dinadaanan kahit wala naman sa listahan. So ayun nga, gagawa natin ng grocery list si Dominic for our next week menu. Kasi sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, nagme-meal prep po ako. So nagluluto lang ako ng aming dinner once a week lang talaga. Pero yung breakfast namin, every morning ako nagluluto noon para fresh. Pero yung dinner guys, once a week lang ako nagme-meal prep. Kasi may full-time job din ako, may trabaho din si Dominic. So wala na talaga kaming oras para magluto every meal ng fresh na pagkain. So yun yung ginagawa namin, pati yung pagkain ni James, mini-meal prep na din. Pero worth it naman siya kasi nga pagka yung ibang mga tao nga na busy dito sa Amerika, nag-order sila or nagme-meal prep din sila. Anyway, nag-order sila ng kanilang ready-made cook na tapos ima-microwave na lang din nila. So parang ganun na din yun. At least kapag na-meal prep ka sa bahay ninyo, alam nyo kung ano yung mga ingredients na nakalagay doon. So more healthy kaysa sa bumili kayo sa mga ready-made na pagkain. But anyway, ang dami nating daldal. Gagawin na natin kasi maya-maya pababa na yun si Dominic. Magbibihis na din siya guys kasi pawisan sa paglalakad. Magbibihis daw muna siya bago siya aalis ulit. And so far, ito pa lang yung aking nalista. Ayan, old version talaga ako guys. Sabi ni Dominic, ilista ko na lang daw sa phone. Pero sabi, parang hindi ko siya na-appreciate kapag nasa phone. Gusto ko talaga yung sinusulat ko. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba talaga to o kayo din ba, ganun din ba kayo guys. Wala na din kaming masyadong i-grocery kasi marami kaming nabili last week. So yung mga kailangan lang talaga this week, lalo na yung mga pagkain. But before that, anyway guys, mapapakita pala ako sa inyo. Napaka-sweet. So yung isa sa waitress pala ako dito sa Amerika guys. Waitress ako sa isang fine dining restaurant dito sa Amerika kasi graduated po ako ng Hotel and Restaurant Management dyan sa Pinas. And nag-work na din po pala ako sa barko. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, sa Norwegian Cruise Line, yun po yung first job ko dito sa US. Tapos after 7 years nagkita kami ni Dominic, kaya ayun, hindi na ako nagbarko and nandito na ako sa US. Pero alam nyo ba guys na yung job ko today is the first ever job na in-applyan ko dito sa Amerika. So magpa 5 years na ako dito sa tinatrabahuhan ko. And ayan, so one of my co-workers, so isang waitress din siya guys, tinan yung nirigalo niya sa akin. Wala namang special occasions, talagang binigay niya lang yan sa akin. Ayan, isa din siya sa mga followers ko sa aming Facebook page. And ayan yung binigay niya guys, tinan nyo, napaka-cute. So personalized siya. Yan. So, ang tawag dito is server booklet. So, ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga servers pang-organize ng mga cash tip. Tapos, dito rin nilalagay yung mga cheque na napermahan na ng mga guests namin. So, para ma-organize tsaka para hindi mo siya mawala. And then, ayan, kung may mga cards ka, mga anik-anik mo, dito mo siya ilalagay. Tapos, lagay mo lang siya sa apron mo. Wala kasi yung sa akin dito. Yung sa akin, ganito din siya, pero plain black lang siya. Pero ito, personalized, diba? Family photo namin. And di ko alam kung mababasa nyo yung nakasulat dyan sa baba, guys. Pero ang nakasulat dyan is, raising a bridge between two beautiful cultures, which is Filipino and American. Ayan. Tapos, dito naman sa likod, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Taran! Ayan, guys. picture namin ni Dominic nung nag-judge wedding kami. Kasi wala kami talagang ceremony ni Dominic kasi during this wedding time guys is COVID time. So bawal yung mga visitors. So talagang ako, si Dominic, tsaka yung judge lang talaga yung nandoon sa ceremony na to. Pero sabi ko kay Dominic kapag mag 10 years na kami, kasi magsi 6 years na kami ni Dominic this year for our wedding anniversary. So sabi ko sa niya kapag nag-reach natin yung 10 years natin, mag-aano tayo, mag-ceremony, wedding ceremony tayo.
Wow.
And si James yung ating ring bearer, charot. Malaki na si James na. So ayun guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan yung aming wedding photo together. Ang bata-bata pa namin dyan, tingnan nyo. Ayan. I think si Dominic John is 26 years old. Tapos ako naman is 27 kasi 11 months older lang din naman ako kay Dominic. So ayun, di ba? Sexy pa ako dyan guys. Pero ngayon, wala na. Wala na. Joke lang. So ayan, tapusin na natin yung ating grocery list kasi naririnig ko na si Dominic, baka pababa na siya. Ang ganda ba ng regalo guys? Di ba? Surprise. Parang nung una nung binigyan sa akin, nahiya pa akong gamitin kasi baka makita ng mga guest. Pero nung tinanong ko yung aming general manager kung pwede ba yung gamitin kasi we're fine dining nga. So dapat standard yung uniform namin. Pero sabi niya okay lang din naman kasi hindi naman namin yun binibigay sa guests. So ayan, I'm excited to use it for my next shift, which is Tuesday and Sunday pala ngayon. So today is my day off and tomorrow, and then babalik ako sa trabaho ko on Tuesday. Papakita na lang natin mamaya kung ano yung mga nabili ni Dominic pagbalik niya. And ayan lang guys, see you. Update ko kayo mamaya kung ano yung mga nag-grocery ni Dominic.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, gising na ating baby Afam. Say hi James. Hi. Tapos na ako mag-nap, guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa aming sofa. And then, binibigyan ko siya, guys, ng tubig. Kasi, hindi na namin si James pinapainom ng gatas. And instead, water na lang talaga siya, guys. And so far, he's doing good naman. Ito yung second day niya ng aming water training na walang milk. So, minsan, ino-open namin yung fridge guys, tapos sinasabihan namin siya na, oh, we forgot to buy milk. Sabi niya, gone. Tapos inom na siya ng tubig guys. So, ayan, nanonood siya ng kanyang, yan guys, yan yung bahay namin. Napakakalat, diba? Life of having a toddler. Reality to guys. Reality. Walang perfect na may mga anak kayo tapos ang ganda ng bahay, ang organized. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Unless talaga kung may naglilinis ng bahay ninyo, nagpapalinis kayo. Kasi kahit maglinis ka, talagang siguro minuto lang yan, malinis. Tapos agad-agad, madumi din ulit. Kaya minsan nakakapagod din magsunod-sunod ng mga kalat niya ba. Kita nyo naman to guys, isa pa lang tong anak namin. Pero ang kalat na ng bahay lagi. So, habang nagre-relax yung ating baby Afam dito, try kong magligpit-ligpit kahit konti para may space naman kami dito. Kasi talagang sobrang kalat, guys. And si Dominic, hindi pa siya nakauwi galing sa grocery. Maya-maya nandito na din yun. So, itong mga pillow pala na to, nasa taas siya ng couch para hindi si James umakyat.
Yeah.
Hello, friend. Let's find McQueen.
Yeah, big tomato. Wow.
Go on and kiss me.
Guys, nandito na si Dominic. Nandun na siya sa may karahe. Ayan, nakita ko na siya, guys. Papasok na siya. Daddy is here, James! Show your apple. Dali. Daddy!
James!
Hi, Dad!
How long did he wake up?
Not long when you left.
Not long after.
Yeah, but he was like really like cried.
2,
It was.
1, 2,
He was really crying?
3.
About what?
Bye.
But I can't hear him because I was.
Oh, so you couldn't get to him?
Yeah,
Did he cry for a long time after?
yeah. So he don't want to go back again.
1.
What are you doing?
1.
That's it. This is your grocery.
That's it. I got another round. Fist bump. Boom, boom, boom. Hug. Oh.
That's it.
The vlog. This is the end of our.
Grocery shopping. Did you get?
$110 or $115 today?
Did you make a vlog?
I did.
Yeah.
About 110.
You have one job.
It's been 110, 115, one by myself. It's usually like 160, 180 with Harry.
How come?
How come?
That's the reason why Dominic likes to do grocery by himself.
Less browsing. It's more direct. No, I always go with you. But it is cheaper going by myself.
Okay, so you just want to do grocery by yourself all the time now?
No, I like going with you guys. Yeah. A family outing. Yeah. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that, James?
He's doing great with his apple.
Good. Did you drink any water first?
Yeah, he's good. Look at him. Hi, James. Why are you so handsome, baby ko? There's my baby boy in there. Your color changed again here in the camera. Earlier, you're so tanned.
Dory.
Dory. Dory is a fish. That's Doc. I said kiss, not bye.
See you. Oh, he's doing just like what he does.
Yeah.
Night.
Hello everybody! Ito na yung ating grocery haul. So, ayan guys, ito lahat yung mga nabili ni Dominic. Ayan. Yan po guys. Maasahan mo talaga si Dominic sa mga ganitong bagay. Ayan, bilis lang din. Siguro nawala lang din siya ng mga 1 hour. So guys, ipapakita na natin sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili ni Dominic isa-isa. Bilisan lang natin kasi wala naman talagang special sa mga nabili namin. Pero most of the time, ito din naman yung mga nabibili namin. Siguro, always lang din naman ako nag-grocery haul sa inyo. So yung mga iba dito, familiar na din naman kayo. Rice, 20 pounds. Plain yogurt. Ayan guys, plain yogurt. Snacks ni Dominic tsaka ni James. Kefir. So, parang probiotic drink siya, guys. Parang Yakult, kumbaga. Ganon. Pero, unsweetened siya. And ito naman yung drink ni Dominic. Meron siya dito unsalted organic bone broth. So, ito, guys, iniinom niya lang to. Iniinit niya lang, tapos iniinom niya lang din. 4 na lata ng tuna in water. Kasi meron din tuna in oil. Pero, mas healthy yung tuna in water, guys. 3 coconut water with no pulp. Meron tayo ditong garlic powder. So, 3 na ding piraso yung binili ni Dominic kasi we love garlic. Nilalagay namin sa lahat ng aming niluluto. Meron tayo ditong organic creamy peanut butter. And ito naman, mini-mix to ni Dominic sa kanyang plain yogurt. Sometimes, kinakain niya lang guys yung parang pinapapak, kumbaga. Snacks niya ito. And then, meron tayo ditong garlic. So, ito guys, fresh peeled garlic na siya. So, ginagawa ko, food process ko na siya para mabilisan lang yung paggamit ko nito. Kasi most of our food, we love to put a lot of garlic. 2 cilantro. Yung isa nito, gagamitin natin sa ating chicken and yung isa naman sa ating turkey meatballs. 5 piraso ng avocado. Yung isa nito guys is like almost $1, mga siguro 95 cents ganon. And then meron tayo ditong lemons, and yung lemon naman na ito, gagamitin natin yung juice niya sa ating chicken. And then yung iba naman is ginagamit ni Dominic sa kanyang hot tea. Onions, broccoli. Yung broccoli na to is for James option sa kanyang vegetable. 2 piraso lang ng banana yung sinabi ko kay Dominic na binili. Kasi meron pa kaming banana last grocery, hindi pa namin siya naubos guys. Kasi si James lang din naman kasi kumakain ng banana namin dito. Si Dominic hindi din siya kumakain masyado ng mga prutas. So most of it is just James, tapos ako minsan. tumutulong din ako sa kanya. So, ito pa yung banana na natira namin last week grocery. Ayan, naluto na nga siya guys. So, dalawang bugkos ng asparagus. Ito naman yung vegetable namin ni Dominic. Igigisa lang natin to sa garlic and ready to eat na. Habanero jack pepper cheese. So, ito naman parang cheese stick siya. And ito yung snacks option ni Dominic. Yung orange na to is for me and James. Ayan guys. Hindi na season ng orange ngayon kaya medyo mahal na. Pero kapag season ng orange guys, napakamura. Hindi talaga mawawala yung ating eggs every morning. Kasi sa isang araw guys, nakakaubos kami ng 8 itlog. 3 sa akin, 3 kay Dominic, and 2 perasong itlog kay James. Fresh ground turkey. Minsan, nag-ground beef ako, minsan turkey naman. Pero, yung turkey na binili namin guys is 85% lean meat siya and 15% is fat. Chicken thigh, oh my god, I'm excited guys. Magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo, yung Filipino style talaga. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Si Dominic naman kasi gusto niya less calories na chicken. So, ito yung ginagamit niya, yung chicken drumstick. Mas mura pala talaga guys yung chicken drumstick kasi sa chicken thigh. Kasi yung buong ganito guys is only worth $4.67. Habang yung chicken thigh ko naman, yung buong ganito is $6.45. Siya dito nabili kasi ngayong dinner wala talaga kami guys makakain kasi hindi kami nag-grocery ng marami. Talagang yung grocery namin is just enough for a week. Tapos gusto kasi namin fresh lagi yung vegetable tsaka fruit tsaka yung karne na niluluto namin kaya hindi kami bumibili ng pangmaramihan talaga. Just good for 1 week. And since tonight, hindi pa ako makapagluto ngayon, bukas pa ako magluluto, day off ko naman bukas, wala kaming dinner. So, bumili si Dominic nitong rotisserie chicken, is parang lechong manok dyan sa Pilipinas. Ayan guys, lechong manok. Siguro bukas na lang din ako magluluto ng chicken adobo ko, kasi nagluto na ako kanina ng rice. So, ito na lang yung ipapartner natin sa ating rice. Lechon manok. Rotisserie chicken ang tawag dito sa Amerika, pero sa Pilipinas, lechon manok. Pero mas bet ko yung sauce natin sa Pilipinas kasi dito walang binibentang sauce, guys. Pero may sabaw to. Yung sabaw nito, ang sarap ilagay sa rice.
Bye. Bye.
James is already saying bye.
Bye.
Bye! Daddy,
He wants to
say
get back. He
bye!
wants to get back to his video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody! Thank
I'll
you
see you
so
soon.
much. See you soon.
Show me,
Say
show me
see
your apple. No?
Cool.
Is it cold? Okay.
Thank you. Bye. See you soon,
See
everybody.
you soon. Thanks for watching. And James, say bye.
Bye.
Give him a thumbs up. Very good.
Thank you, guys. See you again next time for our next vlog. Kiss, James.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Sino?
Look at them. See you soon.
Sino?
Good job. Mwah.